In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Monday.com forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into the process. The first thing you need to do is access your workspace. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, look for the Home button at the top of the page and click it. This action will take you into your main workspace, where you can manage all your projects and forms. Next, we need to open the Forms interface. To do this, locate the plus icon, which is typically found at the bottom right of your screen. This icon is your gateway to creating and editing forms. Click on this plus icon, and from the menu that appears, select Form. You will then be directed to the Form Creation and Editing interface. This is where you'll be able to do all of your form enhancements. Once you are in the Forms interface, you will want to enter editing mode. Look for the option labeled Edit Form and give it a click. By doing this, you unlock a variety of customization options that allow you to modify both the layout and the content of your form. This is an essential step as it gives you creative control over how your form appears and functions. Now that we are in editing mode, let's add some branding to your form. To make your form look more professional and aligned with your company's identity, click on the Upload Logo option located at the top of the form. A dialog box will open, allowing you to select the appropriate logo from your files. This simple addition helps personalize your form and can create a more engaging experience for those filling it out. Next, let's customize the fields of your form to enhance clarity. You'll want to edit names to ensure they are straightforward and meaningful. Simply click on any field, for instance, a single select field, to rename it. This is your chance to make sure that the users have a clear understanding of what information they are being asked to provide. Along with editing the names, I recommend adding descriptions to your questions. To do this, click next to a question where you want to provide additional context or instructions. This can be incredibly beneficial for the person filling out the form, as it ensures they fully understand what is expected. A little extra guidance goes a long way in reducing confusion. Lastly, let's cover how to add options for those questions that require multiple responses. For multiple choice or select questions, click on the Add an Option button, and you'll be able to include more response choices for your users. This step is vital for gathering comprehensive feedback or data from your respondents. And that's it. You've now successfully edited your Monday.com forms. These changes will not only make your forms more visually appealing, but also ensure that respondents understand what information is needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more informative tutorials.